Pero você que me gusta de text, tiende no saque a conversation acaba.
I'm gonna leave you undelivered.
Right.
Like
That-
open
that's a very
messages
clear
are
way,
like
see.
at 130 or something.
Oh no, I don't like that either.
But in mails, man, but in open messages, man, everything open
Like
mails.
I got open mails. Also, see, but with me algo, Camila, me no me necessarily react on it. Why would I open
Why
it? Why
would
would I
I?
react? There's necessary. Until walking on start double tapping heart, right? Like I liked it, and that's the end of the conversation.
Amazing.
I'm that.
You like that better?
I like that
it's
better.
It's your bet.
But like, Nicole, what a freak.
I'm sorry.
He lined you up. That's crazy. You like that? You like that,
It's
huh?
your bet. Yeah, no, because the combo makes a give an answer all the time.
But so, mag je nou nog step op piano in person?
Yeah.
En dan wil je daar zien.
Yeah, that's
Bye.
is what you're doing.
Maar dan de parij nine. No.
But us acting like a text conversation is the same as an in-person conversation.
Ik coração tá e.
It's the wave.
Sí.
Okay, girl.
Pero coração me dá de mais mes. A mim dá porque...
Oh,
No.
if you ever send me a tongue,
Because I don't love the fact that you said, oh, masalikas. Você que me que man?
No, het is gewoon. We zijn.
Di ko não gewoon assim. Fijo.
No.
paso bama namin un thumbs up. Are you mad? Are you trying to make me mad?
Digi pa.
Maquere basinha.
You're triggering
With the
me.
projecting. Maquere basinha.
Yeah, well,
We gotta...
mind your business.
Hey, look, it's recorded. So, it was a coração.
And I said what I
Coração
said.
tá...
Sí, pero un corazón tan más mene, just in the same way you can interpret certain things in a certain way. Like un corazón tan más mene, e porta liefde, e porta liking, e porta, okay, I see you, e porta un wave, hashtag Angel Survive, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. And sometimes I will like your, especially on Instagram, it's easier. But on WhatsApp, but a double tap, and un to pop up, and don't wait to pull tap, it's too much.